Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to see day 2 and day 3 of our aircut trip. Good morning. So this is day 2. Right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm in the balcony. Yesterday night it was pouring like hell from 7 o'clock and we didn't have the campfire at the hotel which was planned. But right now the sky is very clear. It's very clear and it's very nice and pleasant. I think we'll have some sunlight today. And you can see the sound of the river. Let's go see it. It's beautiful. And they are coming from that side. See, that's the river. Can you see? Right outside, just outside our villa. And the bridge is also clear. Wow. So the mask is on. We're just stepping out to see if we'll get some tea, coffee at the restaurant, and planning to make some calls as well. So from here, this is outside the room. This is the side of the room. Okay. What is this? Okay. I'm wearing two masks. Okay. This is the side of the room. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You have seen this part before. I'm going to show you again because my camera cannot swap. When you come here, guys, especially in this month of September, I don't know if you're a person who can, bear this cold, but for me it is too cold in the night and in the early mornings. Bring all your warmers, thermals that you can use and stay warm. So guys, we are at the restaurant, sipping coffee myself, and my daughter is having her milk.
Yes, I had milk.
I had it, like you're still having a milk. The Sukku coffee is so great for this cold. Okay guys, so the next activity is we are going for swimming. Not me, my daughter. Let's see if she's able to bear the cold. Okay. So I'm taking a spare dress. That's the excitement. And this is my daughter having fun in the swimming pool. It's a rooftop swimming pool. It's a kids pool and this is a big one. Should be okay. Taken my wash and there is little bit of sunshine, so I'm drying all the clothes. Okay. See, as you can see, there is sunlight.
And my husband.
I'm going to put on some makeup today. Can you see? Can you see the falls?
And look.
Okay. So we have started day 2 outing. We are planning to go for boating. And Ananya. So this is the attire for day 2. So we went near the stream to take some photos. So that is what you're seeing. So there's like a very small bridge across that stream, and you can find some benches, some park benches where you can just rest and take some nice photos. So that's what you're seeing. The day is very bright and very pleasant. So yeah, after this we started off for boating. Okay, so we were on the way to the Anna Park, where we have boating in the lake, which is near the Anna Park. So we were on the way to it, and we came across this beautiful view. Okay, so if you can see, I'll show you. See, I'll just give you a whole coverage. So this is the road. 2 minutes from here is the boating place. Can you see? so beautiful, and a very clear view. There's no fog, no mist today. Exciting. Okay. We come on a boating. My husband is getting the tickets. So this is the lake boating here. Okay. They're sitting in the boat. Ananya is sitting. Papa is sitting with life jacket.
Yeah, look at that.
Very close to the boating place, we have some parks. The first one was the Eco Park, and opposite to the boating place is the Amma Park. So we went to the Eco Park, and that's what you're seeing right now. So let's take a quick ride. So if you see from this bridge, you'll be able to see the boating place, basically the lake. And then you have to go into the park. Like any other park in Aircard, even this one had full of greeneries. It had a lot of different varieties of plants and trees which are maintained here in this park. There is also a lot of play areas, not just in one part of the park, but it is scattered around. So wherever you go, you want to sit, you'll find a bench. You'll also find swings, slides for the kids, which is very nice for the young children to spend some time here. Okay, so that's what you're actually seeing in this video. And when I started this video, I said the day was very bright and it was pleasant. Yes, it was. But immediately, right after we went to the hotel to have our lunch, and then before we could plan the second half of the day, it started to rain again. So seems like in the month of September, there'll be just 5 days wherein you can't predict what weather it will be outside. In the morning, just like today, it'll be very sunny and very pleasant, but in just few minutes, the climate will immediately change and it will start raining. So this just happens in the month of September, and nobody can predict what day. And about 5 days in this month, you have this kind of um, weather change, quick weather change that happens. So, though we didn't go anywhere outside, the resort had an indoor play area where we had table tennis, chess, carom, and some of the gym equipments. As I said in the first video, the part one video of Vietcard. So we spent a lot of time there, a quality time, I should say, because in this busy life, when both parents are working, the kids don't get to spend much time with us. But the 3 days that we spent there in Aircard was awesome, where I was able to give a lot of time, spend a lot of time with my daughter. So that was something very pleasant, something that I really liked in this trip. This park has more than 400 species of trees, and it is the size of 2 football fields. Go, keep going. So this eco park, we have this Amma Punga, and also you have an aquarium. So you see a group of people standing outside. That's the aquarium. We're going for lunch. We just came back half an hour back. We're gonna go to the in-house restaurant, Bristow, Brooks Bristow. Okay. Ah, so tired. After that, I'm gonna go to the spa. So tired. So, guys, in a few minutes, there was mist everywhere around the restaurant and started to rain. So, the previous scene was like it was very sunny and we had plans, but then it changed in just few minutes. Day 3, we're going for having coffee. Oh my god, my husband's pant is hanging over there. Yeah, looking a little dull. Let's go to the backyard, okay? As Ananya says, come on, let's go.
Where should we go to the backyard?
We'll just see it for one last time. Come.
I'm gonna go see the backyard. Come on, let's go to the backyard, guys.
Hello,
My
backyard.
jacuzzi. I take washing here.
Yeah, I'll show you the jacuzzi. She takes wash.
Yeah, this is my jacuzzi.
Yeah, we had
Please don't say it has bathtub.
and let's go. See the
Look
stream.
at the peaceful river. Aw.
Bye, river. Me and the river. For a stay at this resort, which was very nice. See. Go, baby. My daughter is actually playing in the park. So it's day 3, we actually checked out from the hotel and we are planning to see few points like lady seat we couldn't see because yesterday it was raining very badly, and today I think it will rain. So we're planning to see and leave Yerkad as soon as possible. So right now we are at the ladies seat and it's full of mist and fog, so we couldn't capture the view in the camera. But the path that you're seeing leads to Jen's seat. It's just close by, and yeah, so we didn't spend much time here as we couldn't take any pictures or capture anything in the camera. From the top, it was like full of clouds. It was full white. So we started off back to Chennai. This trip is over. We are going back to Chennai and I'm missing this place a lot. Okay. So it was a wonderful, pleasant trip that we had. So heading back to Chennai. Few more places to see which are full of scenic beauty. Yeah. So this is the end of our Yerkad trip and thank you all for watching. Bye bye and see you until I catch you up in the next video.